Hello my sunshine. Today's video is a must-have for New Year's. Black-eyed peas. Don't go anywhere. Thank you. The ingredients needed for this black-eyed pea recipe: 1 onion, a ½ cup of homemade sofrito, a ½ teaspoon of salt and complete seasoning, and a ½ teaspoon of adobo, a ½ teaspoon of the powders, onion and garlic powder, 3 to 4 bay leaves, and a cup of pumpkin. And I'm going to use about 3/4 of this bag of black-eyed peas. Okay, the black-eyed peas are all washed, and I added 8 cups of boiling water, and to that water I added about a tablespoon and a half of bouillon, and add it to that mixture there. Now we're going to add our pumpkin, and we're just going to add the onion. I add them in these big pieces like that, because I'm going to let them cook up. And then when it gets about 3/4 done, I'm going to take the big pieces and put it into a bullet. And we're going to add everything right up in there. The sofrito. And I'm going to bring that to a boil. Okay, this mixture is boiling. So we're going to add seasonings, salt, complete, and the adobo. And this is the onion and garlic powder, and all in. And we're going to put our bay leaves right in there. Give it a stir. And then we're going to put it down low and let it cook. And then, you know, check it periodically to make sure that there's enough liquid in there. Or I'm gonna set my Fitbit watch for 45 minutes and to check it, and we'll see where we are then. Sorry. Let it, turn it down low and let it simmer and cover it. This also is a good time to taste it and see if you need to add anything to it. If you need to add some more salt, or, you know, any of your seasons to it. Just give it a taste. Okay, we're going to take some of this pumpkin along with the liquid, any of these big pieces. Put this right in this bullet. Get as much, you know, these pieces as you can. And then we're going to put some liquid in there, and then just puree that up, and then add it right into the mixture. Just pureed all of that, and we're just going to pour this right in, and this will thicken up even faster. Just thicken up nice. Down to a simmer or low heat, depending on your stove, and it'll be ready. And also, I wanted to just note that these delicious black-eyed peas is made with no meat. There's no meat added in here. It's pure vegetarian, and it's very flavorful. The black-eyed peas are now done. This is the consistency that I like. Okay, they're done. New Year's to everyone. Black-eyed peas for New Year's along with cornbread. Hello again. I hope you enjoyed this video, a must-have for New Year's black-eyed peas. Please press the subscribe and notification button. This will let you know when my next video is available. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed day, and Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you.